Hey there, you clicked on this video likely because negativity has taken too much control over your life. That's completely normal, we all go through it. But when it starts feeling overwhelming, it's time to take action. Have you ever noticed how a single negative comment from one person can overshadow 10 compliments? It can feel like believing that negative voice is more honest than all the positive affirmations. I know that if something good happens, my first instinct is to worry that something bad is just around the corner. Sound familiar? So why do we naturally lean towards negativity while positivity often feels fake? A big part of it comes from our upbringing and environment. As children, we analyze everything around us, and if we grew up in a negative environment, we might have been programmed to think similarly. If you find yourself thinking negatively all the time, it's likely because that's what you've practiced for years. To reclaim your mind and break this cycle, you need to take proactive steps. Here's the key: you can't simply erase negative thoughts, they need to be replaced. When you wake up feeling down, instead of letting that ruin your day, focus on something pleasant like drinking your favorite coffee or doing an activity you love. Remember, the real challenge isn't the external situations we face, but how we choose to react to them. Research shows that 90% of our experience is based on our reactions, while only 10% is what actually happens. If we can learn to approach life with a positive mindset, we'll likely find ourselves in better situations. Over time, if you consciously insert positive thoughts into your mind, they will gradually take up more space. It's crucial to practice this regularly. Negative thoughts may still linger, but you'll know better how to respond. The minute you spend stressing and dwelling on negativity could instead be filled with happiness and self-love. Ask yourself, what are 10 things you're grateful for today? You can find joy in simple things like having your phone or access to the internet. Gratitude is a powerful tool for happiness. It's important to remember that being yourself is key. You deserve to be around people who appreciate you for who you are, not a character you created to fit in. Often we lose sight of our own blessings when we focus too much on the judgments of others. Stop worrying about what others think. You are capable and deserving of everything you want in life. Observe the negative behaviors around you without absorbing them. Recognize that, while negative thinking can have its uses, excessive negativity only leads to undesirable outcomes. I hope this video has helped you begin the journey toward a more positive mindset.